I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a...
Hey, hello everyone. Now I'll give you a quick overview of the Sci-Fi machine gun and updated material that will fit my previous assets. Let's look at it from all angles. Oh yes, it's a real Predator that looks bombastic.
And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Let's take a look at the material. We have an ammo counter that we can control with this controller from 0 to 100 rounds. You can add brightness to the glow. On the screens, everything is at your discretion. We can also increase the glow of other neon lights. Let's move on to the main thing. By clicking on this check mark, we get full customization of all the colors of this weapon. Let's change the color of the steel. I'll change it to yellow. In previous versions of the material, these were the maximum display options. But now we can make this metal. Painted me metal level, lowering the level of shabby, and voila, we get something new in of any color and type. Now it's more than possible.
I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams.
We can adjust the speed of the side screen or replace it with any image we want. We can change the color of the interface and also alter the colors and intensity of all the unpleasant highlights. On the main blueprint, we can change the parameter, the speed of the turbine. Let's move to the demo scene. Here's the weapon, repainted in different colors. This will help you become familiar with the material more quickly. Here are the gun parts, broken down into pieces. This is necessary for better optimization to show you. We can experiment in whatever way suits us, or perhaps they'll all fire together.
Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay, cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervous.
And here are weapons with animations, but without a character. So we can examine everything closely and see how it all works. The weapons don't have, like in my previous assets, the lore of this weapon is unique. It fires shells that aren't gunpowder based. It propels bullets with a nuclear reactor, so you can add the reactor's temperature to the display, depending on your needs. And for this reason, the weapon includes a turbine supposed to cool the reactor. Again, I want to remind you that you can use this material in all my previous assets. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and look out for more exciting content from me on the Unreal Marketplace. Goodbye everyone.